of my Ask AI, and I'm going to show you how you can customize your AI assistant. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I've gone into my dashboard, I've gone to Chatbot Setup and then Customization. So you can see here we've got a number of options of how we can customize Ask AI. So to start with, we can obviously remove our branding. So the branding is this element here. If you want to remove that, you just click the button, and as long as you're on a paid subscription, it will just add $33 per month onto your subscription. The next thing you can do is change your starter questions. So your starter questions are the things that you see when the AI assistant is loaded up. So to change these, we'll automatically generate some for you. But if you want to change them, all you have to do is delete one and then add a new one. So if we just delete one here, we can try again, tell me more about your product. Click add, and then you'll see it appears here. Everything that you do will live update in this preview window here. So as well as starter questions, which are just kind of quick buttons that allow the user to quickly start a conversation, the other option you've got is to add a starter action. So starter actions allow the user to take quick actions, things that aren't questions. So for example, you might want to have a starter action that takes a user to book a demo screen, or to a pricing page, or to a lead magnet that you've recently published. So to add a starter action, all you're going to have to do is you click add a new starter action, give it a name. And again, you should see all of this live update on the right-hand side. And this is what the user will see. Add in a description, which is this piece here. And then you can also change the demo to the CTA text here. So say book demo now. And then you just have to give it a link. So if I quickly create a link and paste that in, then if I click save new action, you'll then see it replaces one of the starter questions. So at any one time, you can have a maximum of 3 starter questions or actions. So you could have 3 starter actions, or you could have 3 starter questions, or you can have a mixture of the two, however you want. And then if you want to test it out, all you're gonna have to do is click the button. So I've clicked book a demo with the team, and you can see the text there. Click that button, and it's gonna pop me out to the link that I input. If we just reset that for a second. So other things that you can change, obviously you can change the name. So this is the name that appears at the top of your AI assistant. You can change the brand logo. So this is the logo that you'll see here. You can change your brand colors. So this is the primary color of your AI assistant. And you can also change the welcome message that you see given to the user as soon as they open up the AI assistant. So those are some quick things you can do. A couple more slightly more hidden features that you can customize. So if you go into human handover, if you're using a human handover, you can then change the I don't know ending message. So if the AI assistant can't answer a message, then we'll direct them to talk to a person. And what you can do is you can give that user a little more context, a little more direction or instruction about what you want them to do next at the end of each of those messages. So you can also customize that. The last thing you can customize is if you have already added your Ask AI to your site, you can click on advanced options, and you can then customize whether it's going to auto open, whether it's going to pulsate or animate to draw attention to it, and also the color of your AI assistant. So there's quite a lot that you can customize with your AI assistant, and there'll likely be more in the future. We're always looking for feedback on things you would like to work on customizing. Please share them with us. But for now, I hope that's helpful, and let us know if you've got any more questions. Thanks.